to my channel and happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. So I just finished doing my makeup. I am going to be a bunny if you couldn't tell. This is inspired by James Charles and also that one girl who did a tutorial. I'll post it right here. I have always wanted to do this look since I saw that picture like 2 years ago and I finally did it. So here I am and I'm really excited to go trick-or-treating with my niece. And I really hope you guys enjoy watching me get ready for Halloween. And if you recreate this look, which Halloween's over now, but if you recreate it next year or whenever you see this, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chelsey Wolz, and also don't forget to subscribe to be notified when I upload new videos. Starting off with my eyebrows already glued down, I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation, and at first I'm just patting this on my eyebrows and then putting it all over my face and blending it in with my Real Techniques sponge. Then when I have everything blended, I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder and just setting everything. I'm taking my sponge to really pack everything in because I want a nice full coverage base. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild white paint pot and I am just sketching out the shape of the eye. Next, I'm taking this pink liquid lipstick. I don't know what brand it is. I think it's the brand Murad. And I'm just sketching out a similar shape above it. It's kind of hard to explain exactly what I'm doing, but it's easier to watch. Next, I'm taking that pink shade in my Morphe 35B palette to just set that so it doesn't go anywhere. Now going back in with the white, I'm just, again, going back over top of that pink line to create a thicker white line, and this is going to be the start of our bunny, like, fur. So you want to make this line pretty thick. Now I'm going to start and go in with the fur, so I'm just taking some light strokes and lightly feathering the white paint upward to create the texture of the bunny fur. This takes like a little bit to get used to, but just take your time and go one little section at a time. Now going in with that same white paint, and I'm going back to the first line that we drew, and I'm just going over it to darken it and make it more precise because it kind of got lost with all the other stuff we've done. Next up, taking that same pink shade from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm just shading underneath that white line to give it a little bit more of dimension. Next up, taking my Maybelline Felt Tip Liquid Liner pen, I am just creating a pretty intense winged liner. This really just helps the eyes come together. Now I'm just going back in with my NYX liquid white eyeliner and just creating some more hair strokes. I find that this method really helps create those real looking hairs. Now I'm going in with some blush. I'm taking my Kat Von D blush. I'm not sure what shade it's in, but I will have that listed in the description box for you guys. And then over top of that, I'm taking my Anastasia Aurora palette, the Glow Kit, and applying some highlight. Now going in to start out the nose and the mouth, I'm taking that same white paint from the Wet n Wild little cream kit thingy, and I'm just creating some lines to really map out where it's going to go. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm just going to go in and fill in the middle areas because that part isn't going to be really seen, so it just has to be all white. Sorry, I'm so out of frame in this. Now I'm just taking a flat concealer brush to just buff out that white paint to create a nice, clean, even layer. Now I'm just setting everything with some baby powder. It works wonders if you have white paint, if you don't have any white powder. Now I'm taking that same pink liquid lipstick that we used for the eyes and just applying this on the tip of my nose. Next, I'm going to be putting that same liquid lipstick on my top lip only. And then I'm going to be setting that along with my nose with that same pink eyeshadow from the Morphe palette, just so it doesn't transfer anywhere. Now for the black line and the black dots, I'm taking the Amazon version of the Makeup Forever Flash palette just to create the final details of the bunny. But that is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a happy, safe, hope you have a happy, safe Halloween, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!